Hello, you are on the Space Daily News channel. British-based in-orbit servicing company Astroscale, working in a European Space Agency Partnership Project with satellite operator OneWeb, will begin manufacturing the first commercial servicer prototype designed to capture multiple satellites in low Earth orbit. Companies such as OneWeb are launching constellation comprises of hundreds of communication satellites to connect people in the hardest to reach locations through global satellites internet broadband services. OneWeb currently has 428 satellites orbiting approximately 1,200 kilometers above the Earth. Its completed constellation will number almost 650 satellites. Removing these telecommunication satellites from their orbits once they are at the end of their lives is essential to ensure that today's interconnected digital world is not compromised by collisions that damage active satellites in space, and to protect the low Earth orbit environment as a natural and shared resource. There are currently two options for removing end-of-life OneWeb satellites from their orbits at the end of their predicted 5 to 6 years of service. Each has been allocated enough fuel to be able to actively deorbit at the end of its useful lifetime. But in case of failure, each has also been built with either a magnetic or grappling fixture, so that a servicer spacecraft could collect and actively deorbit the satellite. The servicer spacecraft that Astroscale will build and test is called ESA and is planned for launch in 2024. The servicer spacecraft will be the first space sweeper capable of removing multiple defunct satellites from their orbits in a single mission. Following this demonstration, Astroscale will offer a commercial service for clients that operate satellites constellation in low Earth orbit, providing the technology and capability to make in-orbit servicing part of routine satellite operations by 2030. Space Daily News with Julia. Stay tuned!